Hi, today I'm reviewing Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and after that drag this up to another one. Now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications. If you want to give a name or rename the app, just click once on the name here and enter the new one. For example, the apps. Tap to OK, click the home button and we can see that we just successfully renamed it. If you wanna change the position of this folder here on the home screen or just to move it between the screens or to create a new screen with a folder, you should hold it and then just drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. To remove the application from the folder, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to save this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove the application from the whole folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. Also, we just have one more way how we can remove all of the applications in and the folder in one click. You just should hold it and then just drag it here to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.